Hey there mga my loves, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babes. So before we start this reading, let me just greet muna ang lahat. Hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po si Ian, welcome. Today po kayo here with me pabalik-balik ng mga viewers and subscribers since day 1. So yun nga mga babes, kung hindi niyo pa po knows, mayroon pa po tayong other channel. Ang link po niyan is nasa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado rin po kayong tumambay dyan at sa mga nandiyan na, welcome na welcome po kayong lahat. Basta just take only what resonates with you guys, no? And just collect only the messages you feel so connected and so drawn with. So yan mga babes, no? And leave the rest behind kung hindi mag-resonate sa inyong ibang messages. It's okay, it's alright, okay? So yeah, before we start, ang content pala natin is we're gonna take a look at ano ba yung mga worries or mga alalahanin or mga inaalala ninyo, no? And we're gonna get advices from your angels and guides right here, no? Kung paano nyo ba yan dapat na i-deal or harapin. So, let's begin. So, wala tayong gender mga babes, babae, lalaki, LGBT, even cross-watchers. Welcome kayong lahat. Pwede nyo pong i-flip yung roles if you want since this is general reading. At syempre, huwag na huwag niyong kakalimutan na may free will po kayo at pwede niyo yung gamitin anumang oras at saan man. So, yun nga, no? Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. Together with the angels and guides right here, can we get to know ano ba tong mga worries or mga alalahanin ni Scorpio? And can we also get advices from you guys kung paano ba dapat tong i-deal ng aking collective Scorpion people? Thank you so much. This reading is intended for my Scorpion people, Scorpio na meron sila sa kanilang natal or birth chart, or even cross-watchers ni Scorpio. What are these worries all about and how they can be able to overcome this? What are the things they need to do? Can you please show me? Is Scorpio. Let me just gather the energies by shuffling. This is what the energy readers do when they want to catch the right message, okay, na dapat nilang i-share with madla. Alright. Nasalo natin. So Scorpio, we have here for you guys the Eight of Coins. Also have here Strength card energy. The Lovers, Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords ay nandito din. Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck right here, we've got the Queen of Coins energy and the Three of Cups. Oh, see, wala naman talaga dapat na ika-worry dito. Oh. May success, may tagumpay tayong nakikita. Yan. So, nakikita ka rito, no, na isa sa mga worries nyo dito is maaaring meron kayo ritong energy kung saan nahihirapan kayong mamili. So, kung kayo man nag-apply ng trabaho kamakailan lang or itong nakaraan, no, or nag-iisip kayong lumipat ng trabaho, you have options, malinaw, no? Ano ba ang dapat kong piliin? Ito ba? Ito ba o ito? O ito ba o ito? Yan, no? So, maaaring may kinalaman ito sa bagay na gusto mo ritong gawin, no, sa mga future plans mo na may kinalaman sa yung kaperahan, money-related things, no? Kasi nakikita ko rito ang isang mindset ng isang Scorpion individual kung saan kung energy mo ito, no, ikaw ay nagtataglay dito ng mga plano na pang long term na, no? Yung kunwari ganito, nagpaplano ka magkaroon ng negosyo, na tapos magpo-focus ka na lamang dun, yun yung palalaguin mo, yun yung i-expand mo, no, may expansion dun, no? At yun na yung parang gagawin mong main source of your income. Yan, no? Lalo na yung mga ayaw ng mag-work or mga muhan, no? So, yeah. So, nakita ko dito mga babes, no, na this is you, hindi naman sa ayaw mo na makipag-work sa ibang kumpanya, no? Ayaw mo lang yung feeling na nagtatrabaho ka for other people, no, hanggang huli. So, this is you, may plano ka, no, long-term future plans kung tawagin, kung saan maaring magtayo ka ng sarili mong kumpanya o sarili mong negosyo na ikaw yung nagpapatakbo at ikaw mismo ang sarili na namamahala niyan. Walang mag-uutos sa'yo at ikaw ang magiging pinaka magdidesisyon or pinaka may say sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, no? Wala dito magpapagalit sa inyo kundi yung sarili niyo lang. Gano'n, no? So, yung energy ninyo is ayaw na ninyong mga muhan for other people. You know, hindi ko naman kayo nakita rito na minamaltrato kayo rito or ginagawan kayo rito ng hindi patas or hindi magandang um, mga bagay or sitwasyon. Like, wala namang ganun tayo, no, na crucial talaga na kinakaharap kayo sa inyong work. Pero nakikita ko lang na malinaw talaga dito na meron kayong mga long-term plans, no? Sinikita ko rito. At mukhang malaki yung kinalaman ngayon ng inyo ritong options when it comes to your career, job, no, or work. Yung iba, maaaring kayo to na malapit na kayong graduate, baka next year, no, or baka graduate na kayo pero hindi nyo alam, no, kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ninyong applyan. Eh, ito ba talaga yung gusto ninyong pasukin na kumpanya o ano ba, no? Parang may mga ganong pang klase ng energy dito. So, parang wini-worry ninyo rito, no, na baka kapag kaganyan na wala kayong mapili, hindi pa kayo sigurado, no, baka alisan ninyo or iwanan ninyo yung work, no, may ganon, no. At syempre, ayaw nyo naman yung energy na maglilive kayo rito ng imprint kung saan possible na mag-create ito ng bad impression, lalo na kung ito ang una mong trabaho. So, yan. So, nakita ko rito na yung iba, may kinalaman yun sa kaperahan, yung long term na yan. More likely, high potential. Pero sa iba naman, nakikita ko rito na ang worries mo naman, no, is may kinalaman rito sa kung sino ba ang dapat mong piliin. Yung kilala mo na o yung makikilala mo pa lang. So, ibig sabihin, nakita ko rito mga babes na posibleng meron na rito ang kakilala mo na posibleng alam mo ni ugali niya, no, at maaaring nag-confess siya ng feelings sa'yo, no, yun nakikita ko rito. Or, okay, ikaw ito, no, na um, merong dumating na bago na hindi mo pa kilala pero kikilalanin mo pa lang, no? So, may ganun pang klase ng energy. So, spirits are saying, don't pressure yourself, don't rush into things, Scorpio, kasi makikilala mo naman yan sa pamamagitan ng time, panahon, 'di ba? At saka you're looking for long-term commitment. And when we say commitment, it's not just a relationship, it's not just a connection right here, but it's a commitment, no? You will be invested, you will be committed with that person right here, no, for a very long time. Kaya dapat hindi ito minamadali lalo na kung ito ay usaping romantic or love situation kasi you're looking right here for future spouse and you're not looking for a boyfriend and a girlfriend lang or you're not looking for a short fling or casual fling lang. You're looking for a commitment, not just a relationship or a connection lang. Yan, no? So, makikita mo rito kung sino yung dapat mong piliin, no? As you uncover, no, pa more yung mga bagay na alam mo na at hindi mo pa alam dun sa kakilala mo at dun sa mga malalaman mo pa about the new person na dumating sa inyo or paparating pa lang. Kasi yung iba maaaring maging alalahanin mo yun or worries mo yun. Nakita kita that you will be at the crossroads right here. But spirits are saying, don't rush into things, Scorpio, because you can handle this. So, maliban dyan, nakita ko dito, no, na maaring meron ditong energy kung saan ikaw ito, no, na maaring meron ka ditong promotion na wino-work dito sa iyong office, lalo na kung medyo matagal ka na dyan nag-work. Meron ka ditong success na iniintay at mukhang medyo natatagalan ng ito, pero patuloy ka pa rin nag-i-invest ng iyong time, effort, you feel motivated and inspired. And I think, no, huwag ka nang masyadong mag-alala because tatapa ka na rito sa Queen of Pentacles energy, no? Queen yan, miss yan, paano naman lalaki ko? Mga babes, no, kahit nakita niyo pa sa kahit na anong energy tarot na channel, no? Wala pong gender dito. Kaya kahit queen yan, king yan, pentacles na page yan, or kung ano man yan, wala po tayong gender dito. Energy po yan. Ibig sabihin, you will be in this type of energy wherein, magiging permanente or magsistay na ang iyong energy, no, of receiving right here yung tamang flow ng money for you guys, no. Expect it to happen within 3 months from now or magpapatuloy pa yan more up until 2025. And this is you. You are someone here na maalaga. You are a very nurturer individual. Kaya naman, nakikita ko dito na maaalagaan mo yan na opportunity na yan sa kaperahan. At yung iba na nakikita yung promotion na yan, it's coming towards you guys pretty soon. So, hindi na rin matagal at magtatagal ang iyong paghihintay. Three of Cups energy is calling for a celebration. I'm seeing you, no, spending time with your close tribes, like your closest friends, your very good friends, no? You're gonna make inom, no? Or you're gonna make party with them, no? Celebrating this success. And it's all coming up right here, no? Within 3 months and so on and so forth. So expect this to happen because this is something here that you're gonna achieve and it's not very far to happen. Now, others, it might not be a promotion here, but this is something here great for your money, great for your finances related things. So, nakita ko dito na ito yung bagay na pinaghirapan mo, no? Pinagugulan mo dito ng panahon, effort, and then hindi mo sinukuan even though naghintay ka rito ng matagal. Yan. So, maliban dyan, nakita rin ako ng worries mo rito, Scorpio, no? Maaring meron ka ditong iniisip or alalahanin, pero may parte rin dito, no, na parang nagsasabi sa akin na posible or posibleng hindi kayo to. Yan. There's a different energy right here, no? Kaya ngayon yung babanggitin ko. May outside energy dito na posibleng hindi nakakatulog na maayos paggabi and it's consistent. Tuloy-tuloy, no? So, nakita ko dito na yung worry na yun ay hindi sa part mo more likely, but it's on the part of someone here thinking at nasa-stuck ka sa kanyang mindset dito. Kung sino man siya, this person here with the Wheel of Fortune energy is thinking about the past. Yan, no? Okay? This person right here is so eager for your forgiveness, but however, it looks like it's already over. Okay? It's over and done. Yan, Let the heartache lives on. Diba? Yung kanta niyan. So, it looks like it's all over and done, matagal na. But this person here is, what I'm picking up, probably thinking about you right at this very moment right here. Can't sleep at night, and even though he or she is trying to make sabay ang liquors, no, para lang makatulog, parang it's not working. Lalo na kung parang nasasanay na siyang gawin yan. Kasi it looks like you put tuldok, okay? You put period na into your relationship with this person right here. So, ang worry niya dito is, how can he or she overcome this messy feeling of missing you so badly? And he or she, no, parang lumalala, no, it's getting worse and worse talaga every day, no, yung pagka-miss inyo. So, para sa kanya, meron rin ako nakikitang advice dito ang mga angels and guides niya, particular dito sa kanyang kinakaharap, no. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na ano man yung gawin niya, kasi may dalawa akong nakikita ritong pagpaplano, no. Parang this person right here, no, may plano siya sa kanyang mind to talk to you, okay? Pero dahil alam niya naman, no, na parang you're not open for rekindling or reconciling back together kayong dalawa, no. Parang gusto niya lang niya kayo makausap for the very last time, no, para lang rin makapag-move on na siya. Even though hindi naman talaga yun yung gusto niyang gawin, no. Parang gusto ko lang niya makita for the very last time. Yun, no? And the second plan na nakikita ko for this person right here, no, is ito, na parang either papalayain ka na lang niya, okay, or lalayo na lang siya dito ng tuluyan sa'yo. Okay? So, alin man doon, dalawa lang yung tinutumbok na similarities nun or commonalities, no, is alam niya yung lugar niya ngayon sa'yo, no, nawala na talaga siyang puwang na makabalik sa yung life, yan, no. So, spirits are saying, hindi naman siya pinipigilan, no, ng kanyang mga angels na gawin yan kung yan yung desisyon niya, kasi alam mo, ang mga anghel na nandyan lang sila para i-guide tayo, no, atin pa rin ang desisyon na gagawin natin, no. Pero gayon pa man, no, ikaw rin ay may sariling desisyon, no? At kung paano mahaharapin ng taong ito kung muli mo siyang makakaharap, no? Para dito sa mga plano na binibigay niya or naiisip niya ngayon, no? Is it's up to you, is Scorpio. So, nakita rin po ko dito, no, ng energy kung saan maaring meron ka ditong gustong tulungan mga babes, no? Medyo may kalambutan kasi yung puso mo, no? You are a very helpful, generous individual right here. Mapagbigay ka when it comes to your family needs, no? Sa mga pagpo-provide na kanilang mga pangangailangan, no? kahit yung mga lumalapit sa'yo rito na mga kamag-anak mo kailangan ng tulong, no? Nandoon ka to help them, no? You are someone here, no? Yeah, may times na parang nakikita ka nila na parang daming pera ni Scorpio, parang matulungin siya ganyan. No? Sometimes naaabuso kayo dun sa party na yon. But however, this is you, no? As long as you help them, okay, iniiwasan mo rin na matolerate sila minsan. So, nakita ko dito, no, na may worries ka rin dito, no, na at some point in time, no, na may fear ka na what if one day, etong mga ito na tinutulungan mo, no, sila pa rito yung gumawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Well, let's not um, put that aside kasi it's really possible to happen, especially if you keep on thinking and thinking about it. Okay? You're gonna manifest it if you're gonna do that frequently. But however, this is you, just like what I've told you. No, help them if you feel like helping them. Be generous enough if you feel like being generous enough to them. But however, continue to be conscious, no? Maging aware kayo rito, no? If they're already abusing you, ba? So, ganun yun. No? Don't let these people right here na sila yung maging dahilan kung bakit maapektuhan rito yung energy mo. Protect your own energy. And if that happens, no, dahil sometimes wala tayong control sa mga nangyayari, no, and they will end up betraying you because you're too good to them, no? And that is what, no, a human being cannot control other people's mind, isn't it? Diba? At kung mangyari yan, remain protected. Okay? Stand still. Okay? At huwag mong hayaan na mangyari yun ulit, no? At magawa nila ulit na makapanglamang ulit sa'yo at maabuso ang kabaitan mo. May hangganan din ang pagiging mabait ng isang tao. I'm not saying that you're gonna cut them off in your life, especially if they're family members or they're your kamag-anak, no? You cannot cut their bloodline because iisa lang yung dugong dumadaloy sa inyo, no? Just cut, no, yung mararamdaman mo at magsasabi ng intuition mo, no, na hindi mo sila dapat tulungan dito sa bagay na to dahil alam mo na posibleng hindi sila nagsasabi ng totoo or nagsisinungaling sila or hindi naman talaga nila kailangan yon and they're just abusing you. That's why yun yung power ng intuition. Okay? Understand? So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here no mga babes, no? For you, Scorpio. Thank you so much for your time. And again, I'm Yana Spiritual saying, okay, whatever you will do for yourself, always make sure na sa dulo nito, ikaw ang pinaka magbe-benefit at hindi ka maapektuhan dito ng hindi maganda or ikaw to no na magiging alam mo yon satisfied at kontento sa anumang dapat mong gawin. Importante yon sa lahat. Okay? So yeah, annyeong, love and light.